What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at this new addition. As you can see behind me, we have all the ceiling beams in and we have all the rafters down on this side of the house. They have a couple more down on the end, but all the way out here and pretty much across the whole way is done. They land on a little crippler wall here, which is stacked on top of a triple LVL. On the other side over there, we have a triple LVL as well. We are about to build a crippler wall over there. These rafters continue from here all the way to that side where my father is standing. So we have to build a crippler wall up that the rafters can land on, and then from the far wall they're going to come up as well. The reason you don't see any ceiling beams in the front room there is that is the master bedroom, and they didn't want a flat ceiling, so the ceiling in their bedroom is going to go with the rafters. It is going to have to get packed down about 4.5 inches so we can fit the correct size insulation in there. So we'll have a bit of work once we get the rafters in, but underneath all of these LVLs here, we are going to have to put a post in each corner over there and over here, and they're actually stacked right on top of the LVLs in the first floor ceiling, basically the new second floor that we made there. There is a I believe it's a double LVL all the way across there, and then underneath that one as well. So we'll have to post from that one down to the basement as well through the first floor to support all the weight. But we are pretty much done with this side. We're about to start building the crippler wall over there, and then we can get the rafters in as well. These guys also put some strong back in over here, and we have one guy down there on the first floor doing all of the solid blocking. We have a couple guys down on the ground cutting the rafters and all the material we need, sending it up with the forklift. That way we don't have to go up and down. But I'm going to set this camera up and we'll see how far we can get today.
Let's go.
Sure. Positive. That one? Yeah. Okay, good. Put it back in on. Flush with the end. Put in that. Yep, flush with the end.
All right, guys, it is about 2:30 right now. We're just finishing up lunch. Everyone's down there eating lunch in the shade. But I want to walk you through this job because I have to get out of here soon. My sister is home from Oregon, and me and my brother have plans with her. So I got to get home. We are about an hour and a couple minutes away from where we live down here. But as you can see, we have solid blocking pretty much across this whole place. I gotta walk through. I was not down here while he was doing it, but you can see it's all through the house here. Well, at least the second floor. It looks, oh no, that back room still needs to get done. Some pieces over here, need some in here. This whole room is done. This room is not done yet, and this room is not done yet. This wall is, but the rest of it is not. So he's making good progress on that. We have one guy going through and doing that while the rest of us are working on the rafters and stuff. But we got this whole side done all the way across, and we have half of that wall built. So we need to, we have one board over there, which will be the continued rafter from here. They're going to butt up against the insides of these and land up on there. Obviously that wall is going to go all the way out to there, but we're making good progress up here. The guys will be here tomorrow. I am not here. The reason my sister's home is her what do they call it, wedding shower is tomorrow, so I have to attend that because I am in the wedding party. But I'm not looking too forward to that. I know it's all girls that are going to be there and whatnot, so we're actually going to golf while that is going on, me, my dad, and my brother. So we're going to attend it for a little bit and then go golfing. But the guys will be here tomorrow, and then on Monday I will be back here, and we'll see how far they got. That is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.